So good morning all of you. So I have completed your chapter number 11 yesterday, day before yesterday, that is directing. Now I'll have to start your chapter number 12, that is called controlling. Under controlling, what are the portion which are there in the syllabus? Okay, you have to just, you see learning objective is given in the chapter. Meaning of controlling is there. Okay, then importance of controlling is there, then steps in the process of controlling is there, then management by exception is there, and span of control is there. So other things is not there in your syllabus, like nature of controlling, limitation of controlling, relationship between planning and controlling. All these things are not there in your syllabus. Okay, so in controlling chapter we have to study under controlling 3 topics, that is meaning, importance, and steps in the process of controlling. Is it clear? Then I'll start with the management by exceptions, and then the last one we'll do is the span of control. Span of control is something important which may be asked in exam this year. Okay, so now you see the meaning of controlling. We have studied directing. Okay, under directing we have studied several elements of directing. Is it clear? Now we need to understand what actually the meaning of controlling. Controlling is to check and ensure the performance of work. Okay, controlling is nothing like somebody just control some person. No, controlling is just checking and making it ensure the performance of the work, that performance is done according to the plan and program of the organization or not. That is the only thing which is done under controlling. So in the process of controlling, the managers check that, they check and they make it ensure that the performance of the work which is done by the employees is according to the plan and program of the organization is there or not. That is the thing they check under the step which is called controlling. Okay, now just see in the book, all of you. Controlling may be defined as the process through which managers assures that the activities and results are in conformity with the planned activity and result. That is the meaning. Okay, क्या मतलब है इसमें? जो एक्टिविटी की गई और जो रिजल्ट हुआ, क्या वो इस चीज को कंफर्म करता है कि वो प्लान के हिस्सा, प्लान्ड एक्टिविटी का हिस्सा था या नहीं? That they check. They check and they ensure the work done is whether the part is done whether according to the planned activity and result or in some other way. That is the only thing they check. Okay, so first paragraph, full is the meaning of controlling. Controlling may be defined as the process through which managers assures that the activities and results are in conformity with the planned activity and result. It involves verifying whether activities undertaken conform to the plan adopted or not. ये just एक verification होता है. Controlling is the process of verification. What they verify, that जो भी एक्टिविटी की गई है, क्या वो एक्टिविटी जो प्लानिंग की गई थी उसके थ्रू की गई है या नहीं. Then second, the main objective of controlling is to check and ensure that performance of work is in accordance with the plan and program of the organization. Okay, so I have already told you. Then after that, it ensures, actually controlling serves the following purpose. It enables managers to detect error and defect. Obviously जब वो ये देखेंगे, जब वो ये चेक करेंगे कि कोई भी एक्टिविटी की गई एम्प्लॉय के द्वारा, जब मैनेजर विल चेक दिस दैट द एक्टिविटी विच इज बीइंग परफॉर्म्ड बाय द एम्प्लॉय is according to the plan of the organization or not, then they will able to detect, they will able to catch the error and the defect which are being which occurred, all right, while performing some duties. Is it clear? That is the main purpose of controlling, that it enables manager to detect error and defect in the course of work and to take collective action whenever necessary. Is it clear? So obviously they will check and they will find that lot of error occur, then definitely they will take the necessary action. But what is controlling? Controlling is to check Under the process of controlling, managers check and ensure that the activity or the performance of the work, whether it is according to the plan of the organization or not. While doing this process, they will able to detect the error and the defects which has been occurred in performing any work. Then definitely they will take the necessary action for those. So that is the meaning of controlling. Is it clear? Tomorrow I'm going to discuss your limitations and steps in the process of controlling. Is it clear? So today I'm sending a little long video of economics, more than 30 minutes. I have discussed the importance of public expenditure. So you see this controlling meaning, and that if you find any problem, please discuss and tell your problems. Okay. So for today only this much. Thank you, children.